Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat. You're watching iGyaan, and today we're going to be checking out the new Mi Band 5. So let's quickly get started. Now, the Mi Smart Band 5 had its global launch a couple of months back, but it finally comes to India and it has been launched today. We'll leave links on buying it and the final prices in the description below. There are certain improvements over the previous generation of the Mi Band, and if you're a regular Mi Band user, you will find some of these really interesting. Let's start off by talking about the design and the build quality of the Mi Smart Band 5. So we've got a new silicone style band, which is rather comfortable to wear for long periods of time. And also a all new design for the body as well as the charging mechanism. On the front you do get a 1.1 inch AMOLED full touch display, and on the back you do get a PPG heart rate sensor along with a 6-axis sensor and a gyroscope. The Mi Smart Band 5 also has 50 meters of water resistance, so about 580 m, and it also now features sleep monitoring and a 14-day battery life. Now, the 1.1 inch AMOLED display is vivid. It's visible indoors as well as outdoors, and the touchscreen is really responsive as well. The display also has a resolution of 294 by 126. It's a 16-bit display and has 450 nits of brightness. You have lots of new tracking modes, including 11 sports tracking modes, which include things like swimming as well as elliptical machines. But more importantly, you also have indoor exercises like jump rope and a freestyle workout along with yoga. The heart rate sensor now has a PPG biosensor, improves heart rate sensing accuracy a little bit, and we will test that more when we take the Mi Band for a review. The Mi Band 5 also features sleep monitoring, which also includes REM sleep monitoring, which is rapid eye movement sleep monitoring, as well as small naps that you would have in the afternoon. Then it records all of this information and it is available on the app, and the app is available both on Android as well as iOS. It also includes stress monitoring as well as breath training, so it'll constantly give you reminders to breathe throughout the day, as well as give some breathing exercises to improve your breathing throughout the day as well. Now, the app also gets an update, and there are hundreds of customizable watch faces, and the app also allows you to do certain things with the smartphone as well. And you can also remotely control the camera of your smartphone using the Mi Smart Band 5. You will get notifications if you allow them, so you can get notifications for your calls, your messages, and certain other apps including WhatsApp, etc. You cannot interact with them from the Smart Band 5, but you can get notifications. So you can get a notification that your phone is ringing, but you will not be able to take or send calls from the Smart Band 5. Now, like I said, we will be doing a full review with the Mi Smart Band 5. So if you have any particular questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat Nagpal. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.